Yeah, hi there. These comments are for AA, and I am Michael Buckoff, the founder, owner, and the materials writer for all of your lessons at the TOEFL online course, the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. You're also one of my students in the English language program over at California State University, San Bernardino, and you completed the integrated speaking practice test number 16. This is the one, I believe, which is talking about glacier formation. All right, so let's listen to what you have to say.
Discuss how can glaciers are formed.
Now, right there, how can glaciers are formed? You don't want to say it like that. Number one, noun clauses take statement word order. And then if you say how can, you can't say are. So you want to say the listening passage discusses how glaciers are formed. That's going to be the correct way to express that idea.
The speaker says glaciers began to form when the...
I wouldn't say became to form. Just say the speaker says that glaciers form. So you don't have to say became past tense. You can use the present tense to explain that idea, and you don't have to use the infinitive after that.
Snow builds up from snowfall in the same area for many years. Second, the result of pressure from the new snow layers on the previous snow layers are formed grains.
So I think you're just having some trouble. What your problem here is, you're trying to figure out what type of grammar you can use to paraphrase the information, but you're not making the best choices, to be honest.
Similar to grains of sugar in size and shape. Third, with the continued pressure.
Now, I like how you're using the first, second, or third. You're trying to use a coherent organization as a way of linking the different parts of your response together. So that's a good strategy.
From new layers of snow, that this grain becomes larger and the air pocket becomes smaller.
You want to say the air pockets, not packets. The air pockets become smaller.
Over time, ice crystals become more solidity and cohesion.
The ice crystals become more... Let's go back to what you said.
Crystals become more solidity and cohesion.
I would say they become more plus adjective plus cohesive. I'm not sure what that word was that you said there, but you're still having some language use issues trying to explain the ideas.
Also, some ice crystals can reach several inches in length. Finally,
say they're each can reach several inches in length.
After more than 100 years, because of the forces of gravity, the glacier begins to move downhill.
So you got it within about 60 seconds, am I right? So that's pretty good.
Begins to move downhill.
Okay, so let's take a look at the rubrics now, see how you'll score here. This one you're running into a lot of problems with both your pronunciation and also your language use. So in this case, I'm going to say, I'll put you at the low 2 area here. So you are having some unclear pronunciation. Sometimes I cannot understand what you're saying. And as I pointed out, you're also struggling trying to find the appropriate grammar to paraphrase the information. So you had quite a few errors throughout your response as you were trying to paraphrase the ideas. Your strong point here, I think, is your topic development. I think you honestly made a good effort. You tried to connect the different parts of your response together using transition words, and you seem to have a fairly good understanding of the lecture. So frankly here, you just had problems with pronunciation and with grammar, and those limitations made it difficult for you to fully express your ideas. So on this particular practice test, I'm going to put you at 2.0 out of 4, or 15 points out of 30. Now, for the purposes of our class, in this syllabus, as it says 2.0 is going to put you at 70% on this assignment.